Well, as everybody knows, artificial intelligence has arrived, and Canva, which is one of my favorite apps to work with and that has helped me a lot to create better thumbnails, has not stayed behind. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Joyce and today I will be talking about what is Magic Write and how to use it on Canva Docs. Canva announced in September the new section that has for us, which is Canva Docs, which provides the ultimate format to bring visuals and text together. And with Canva Docs on December 7th, they unveiled the Magic Write, which I am going to be showing you today how it works on your computer, iPad, and iPhone. Magic Write is an artificial intelligence powered copywriting assistant tool in Canva Docs, and you can simply tell Magic Write what you want and it will start creating a starting point for you. Magic Write can help you at brainstorming initial ideas or drafts for everything since social media posts to business proposals with the touch of a button. Magic Write is available in Canva Docs, in Canva Free, Pro, Teams, and non-profit accounts. The languages Magic Write works in are English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Indonesian. It is free for anyone who uses Canva. However, it is not available in Canva for education accounts. If you want to use this feature from Canva, it is free for anyone who uses Canva. Anyone with a free Canva subscription can perform up to 25 queries in total. Anyone with a Pro, Teams, or NFP subscription can generate up to 75 queries per month. So if you are interested in this feature and you don't have a Canva account yet, go to the link on the description down below so you can start using it today. And even have access to Canva Pro for free for 30 days. For now, Canva does not make any copyright claim over the output you create with Magic Write. As between you and Canva, you own the output you create with Magic Write, and you are given the right to Canva to host it on their platform and use it for marketing their products. However, this doesn't mean that you are the copyright owner of the output or that you have exclusive rights to it. Now let's go to the fun part of this video, how to use Magic Write on Canva Docs. Let's go to create a new Canva doc. Click the plus button on the left side of the page or type / to use /magic shortcuts. Select the Magic Write option. Now describe the text that you want generated. For example, 5 tips to overcome motherhood. The more details you provide, the better. If you need to add words, make sure you add them to your sentence. Once you're happy, hit enter and magically your text will appear. Finally, now this step is very important. Proofread and edit the text to suit your needs. Once you're ready, finalize and share your Canva doc. If you like this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe so you can have access to more Canva tutorials just like this one. Now let's do it from our phone. Let's open Canva app. Now go to Docs and open a new one. Tap on the magnifying glass and tap on Magic Write. Now type what you want Magic Write to help you with and press return on your iPhone keyboard. As you can see, the process is very similar in between the devices that I used. So you can choose from any device and you can have the same magical output. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.